imagine your dream retirement. Now forget it. Today we're diving into the dark side of retirement planning. Welcome back to Money Craft Masters, the channel where your financial future is forged. We have some crucial intel that might change your retirement roadmap before you pack your bags and bid farewell to your working life. Today we're talking about something other than the best places to retire but the worst. Yes, you heard it right. From soaring taxes to healthcare headaches, we uncover the top 10 states that might turn your golden years into brass. So grab your notepad and let's get ready to dodge some retirement pitfalls together. Before diving into the list, let's talk about what makes a state tremendous or not for retirement. It's not just about the sunny beaches or golf courses. No. Here at Money Craft Masters, we look deeper. We're talking about the cost of living, healthcare facilities, tax rates, and fun stuff like recreational activities. Because let's face it, retirement is more than just sipping lemonade on a porch swing. It's about living your life to the fullest without burning a hole in your retirement fund. So how do our top 10 worst states stack up against these criteria? Well, stick around because some of these might just surprise you. Now, let's start the countdown. And remember, this isn't just about avoiding the bad. It's about finding the best place for your retirement dream. So, as we go through these states, think about what matters most to you in your golden years. State 10, Arkansas? We are starting our countdown at number 10 in Arkansas. Don't let its nickname, the natural state, fool you. While Arkansas boasts a low cost of living, the healthcare system is a significant concern. The state ranks low regarding healthcare access and quality, making it less appealing for those prioritizing health in their retirement years. Additionally, Arkansas struggles with a higher-than-average crime rate, and while the scenery is breathtaking, natural disasters like tornadoes are something to consider. State 9, Maryland. At number 9, we have Maryland. Known for its rich history and Chesapeake Bay's culinary delights, Maryland needs to catch up in the retirement department due to its high cost of living and one of the highest tax burdens in the country. The state's proximity to Washington, D.C., might be a draw for some, but it also means dealing with heavy traffic and urban sprawl. And for retirees looking for a quiet and affordable place to relax, Maryland's bustling environment might be more of a challenge than a charm. State 8, Washington. Sliding into number 8 is Washington State. It's not just Seattle's coffee and tech scene that grabs headlines. The state's taxation policy does too, especially with no state income tax. However, before you get too excited, consider Washington's high sales tax and property prices, particularly in urban areas. And while outdoor enthusiasts can revel in its lush forests and mountains, the frequent gloomy, rainy weather can deter those seeking more sunshine in their golden years. A quick pause, Money Craft Masters. If you enjoy this deep dive into retirement realities, hit that like button. Your likes help our community grow and allow us to continue delivering content that matters to you. Now let's return to our list of states that might make you reconsider your retirement plans. State 7, Illinois. They are coming in at number 7 in Illinois. The land of Lincoln might be rich in history and culture, but wealthy in taxes. Illinois has one of the highest property tax rates in the nation, which can be a significant burden for retirees on a fixed income. Additionally, the state faces fiscal challenges, including underfunded pension liabilities, which could affect future tax rates and public services. And while cities like Chicago offer urban attractions, they also have high. State 6, Louisiana. At number 6, we find Louisiana. Known for its vibrant culture and mouth-watering cuisine, Louisiana's charm is undeniable. However, when it comes to retirement, there are some serious considerations. The state has one of the lowest rankings in healthcare quality, a crucial factor for retirees. Additionally, Louisiana's high crime rates and vulnerability to natural disasters like hurricanes can be off-putting. While the cost of living is relatively low, these other factors significantly impact its desirability as a retirement destination. State 5, New York. Halfway through at number 5 in New York, the Empire State, home to the Big Apple, offers an unmatched urban experience. But when it comes to retirement, it could be more appealing. New York has one of the country's highest living costs, especially in New York City. The state also imposes high income and property taxes, affecting retirement savings. while upstate New York offers more tranquility and lower costs. The overall taxation and healthcare expenses remain concerns for retirees. Are you still with us, Money Craft Masters? We're halfway through our list, and things are getting interesting. If you found any of these insights surprising, comment below and share your thoughts. And remember to subscribe for more eye-opening financial content. Let's continue with the top 4 states you might want to think twice about before retiring. State 4, Oklahoma. Number 4 on our list is Oklahoma. The Sooner State offers a low cost of living and a strong sense of community, but it could be smoother for retirees. Oklahoma has one of the nation's lowest rankings in healthcare quality, a significant concern for those in their retirement years. Additionally, the state is prone to severe weather, including tornadoes, which can be a real worry. And while the rural areas offer quiet, they also have limited access to advanced healthcare facilities. State 3, Mississippi. At number 3, we have Mississippi, often celebrated for its rich musical heritage and warm Southern hospitality. Mississippi must catch up in several critical areas for retirees. The state has the highest poverty rate in the country, which impacts overall quality of life and access to services. Healthcare quality and access are also significant issues, with Mississippi frequently ranking at the bottom in national health surveys. The state's hot, humid climate might not be everyone's ideal retirement weather. State 2, New Jersey. Runner-up at number 2 in New Jersey. The Garden State might be known for its beautiful shorelines and proximity to major cities, but it's also notorious for its high cost of living and heavy tax burden. New Jersey has one of the highest property tax rates in the country, which can be a significant drain on retirement savings. The state also needs help with traffic congestion and urban sprawl, making it less than ideal for those seeking a quiet, affordable retirement. State 1, Kentucky. And the state to top our list of the worst places to retire in the U.S. is Kentucky. Despite its beautiful landscapes and famous horse races, Kentucky has several drawbacks for retirees. The state needs to improve healthcare quality and affordability. It also has a lower quality of life ranking, partly due to limited access to recreational activities for seniors. Additionally, Kentucky's transportation system and lack of accessible housing can make it challenging for retirees to maintain an active and independent lifestyle. As we wrap up our list of the 10 worst states to retire to, remember, retirement planning is all about finding the right fit for your lifestyle and needs. Here at Money Craft Masters, we're dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about your financial future. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights and tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Money Craft Masters content. Until next time, keep crafting your financial mastery.